Hey, what's up, Filecoin? So, what's the prediction of Filecoin to upcoming days file as moving off or fails down? What's the new target of Filecoin? Do they hit it or easily or not, my friend? And what's my opinion to this is selling time, holding time, or buying time? Absolutely, all question is very great, my friend. And I tell you, and these three questions, especially in this video, my friend, answering you, my friend. So kindly, before I get started this video, I request you to subscribe every channel. Please click out the red button and press bell icon for videos notification. My friend, if you can see here this time the last 1 hour chart is I already opened it, and this is the start of money, and every cryptocurrency is very badly falls down. But I can't believe it. How is it possible to Filecoin change occurs in positive also? But in the last 1 hour, my friends, they fails down definitely very fastly. But this time you can see here after a fails they take again jump. So every cryptocurrency is moving up like that. Today after a jump they fails down, and after fails they take a jump. So this time you can see here also the price is increasing now, starting increasing now, especially at the end of this April, my friend, they take a very high jumps, my friend. So therefore Filecoin price is increased now, and the target is $200 US, my friend. I hope they hit it easily they can hit $200 US. But remember, my friend, if they hit $2 US, then I hope they make you millionaire. They give you very good profit. So please, Filecoin holder, you can see here this time I already opened the last 7 days chart, and they're definitely moving in the moon. They are just only in the moon, my friends. So Filecoin holders, don't sell, please hold it and wait for a good time. I hope they make you millionaire. This time also in the last week, my friend, 19.76% they change occurs in positive. So this is very good from all of you. So please, the target is $200 US, and I hope they hit at this month, my friend. Please like this video, subscribe this channel for latest new on updates. Please hope you enjoy these videos.